Looking for the best digital kitchen scales to upgrade your cooking game? Whether you're baking, meal prepping, or tracking precise portions, having the right kitchen scale can make a huge difference. In today's video, we're counting down some of the top-rated digital kitchen scales that offer accuracy, durability, and smart features for modern kitchens. From compact designs to high-precision sensors, these picks are perfect for beginners and professionals alike. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Gadget Harvest Pro and hit the notification bell so you never miss smart kitchen hacks and the best Amazon deals. Also, check the description below for the latest prices and product links. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Escali Primo Scale. The Escali Primo Digital Food Scale is a reliable and user-friendly kitchen essential designed for accuracy and simplicity. With its 2-button operation, it makes measuring ingredients fast and stress-free, perfect for busy home cooks and bakers. Its compact size allows easy storage, while its sleek chrome finish adds a modern touch to any kitchen setup. The clear digital display ensures easy reading for precise portion control and consistent cooking results. Although it supports up to 11 pounds and isn't waterproof, its durability and budget-friendly price make it a smart choice for everyday meal prep and baking needs. Number 2. Dedic City Smart Scale. The Dedic City Smart Food Kitchen Scale is a premium option built for modern, health-focused lifestyles. It connects to a free mobile app that tracks 19 key nutrients, including calories, carbs, and protein, helping you stay on top of your fitness goals. The stainless steel surface is sleek, fingerprint-resistant, and easy to clean, while the touch-sensitive controls offer quick and smooth operation. Although Bluetooth connectivity may occasionally fluctuate, its precise measurements and detailed nutrition tracking system make it an excellent tool for meal planning, dieting, and achieving better control over your daily food intake. Number 3. Ozeri Pronto Scale. The Ozeri Pronto Digital Kitchen Scale is designed for precision and convenience, featuring advanced variable graduation technology for accurate measurements every time. Whether you're weighing spices, coffee, or baking ingredients, it delivers consistent results with ease. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to store in drawers or cabinets, saving valuable kitchen space. The quick tare function allows you to subtract container weight instantly for efficient meal prep. While the display may be slightly hard to view from certain angles, its strong battery life and durable build make it a dependable and practical choice. Number 4. Nicewell Digital Scale. The Nicewell Food Scale is built for heavy-duty kitchen use, offering an impressive 22-pound capacity that easily handles large ingredients in mixing bowls. Its combination of stainless steel and tempered glass creates a sturdy, stylish, and easy-to-clean surface. The wide platform provides extra space, making it ideal for baking or bulk cooking. With highly sensitive touch controls, switching between units like grams and ounces is quick and seamless. Although larger bowls can block the display and the glass requires careful handling, its strength, stability, and modern design make it perfect for busy kitchens and serious home cooks. Number 5. Etex City Scale with Bowl. The Etex City High Precision Food Scale with Bowl is perfect for those who need ultra-accurate measurements for baking or portion control. It includes a lightweight mixing bowl that simplifies ingredient preparation and keeps your workspace clean and organized. This scale measures down to a fraction of a gram, making it ideal for detailed recipes and fitness tracking. The stainless steel finish gives it a premium look, while the simple interface allows easy unit conversion. Although frequent use may require more battery changes, its convenience, precision, and included bowl make it a highly functional kitchen companion. Number 6. Dewey 33-pound Food Scale. The Dewey 33-pound digital kitchen scale is a powerful and versatile option for both small and large ingredient measurements. Its stainless steel surface looks modern and wipes clean after every use. The bright LCD display shows clear numbers, making it simple to read while cooking or baking. With precise 1-gram accuracy, it handles everything from spices to bulk ingredients. You can switch between grams and ounces with one button. The waterproof design makes cleanup stress-free. Although the buttons are small and fingerprints may appear, its USB charging and battery support add convenience and flexibility. Number 7. Ecoticity Food Kitchen Scale. The Ecoticity Digital Kitchen Scale is a compact and reliable tool perfect for everyday cooking and meal prep. Its stainless steel surface gives a clean, modern look and is easy to maintain. The bright LCD display clearly shows measurements, helping you avoid mistakes while cooking. Switching between grams and ounces is fast with a single button. Its lightweight design fits easily in drawers or on small countertops. While batteries may need replacing often and the surface can scratch over time, its accuracy, speed, and simple controls make it a great choice for beginners and experienced home cooks. Number 8. Amazon Basics Digital Scale. The Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale offers simple performance and reliable accuracy for daily cooking needs. Its black and stainless steel design looks modern and fits well in any kitchen space. The LCD display is clear and easy to read even during busy meal prep. The tare function allows you to measure ingredients without extra efforts or calculations. Switching between grams, ounces, and pounds is quick and smooth. It supports up to 11 pounds, suitable for most recipes. Although fingerprints may show and light items can be tricky, its value and ease of use make it dependable. Number 9. OXO Good Grips Scale. The OXO Good Grips Kitchen Scale stands out with its smart pull-out display, making it easy to read measurements even when using large bowls. Its stainless steel surface is durable, stylish, and easy to clean after use. The soft buttons respond quickly and feel comfortable to press. With an 11-pound capacity, it handles most baking and cooking tasks with ease. The slim design fits neatly into kitchen drawers or shelves. Although the display may be harder to read in low light and the surface can scratch, its smart design and accuracy make it highly reliable. Number 10. Foldable Dish Drying Rack. Keeping your kitchen clean and organized becomes easier with this foldable dish drying rack for daily use. It provides enough space to hold plates, bowls, and utensils securely while drying after washing. The sturdy design ensures stability, even with heavier kitchen items placed on top. When not in use, it folds flat, saving valuable counter space in small kitchens. It is easy to set up, use, and clean without extra effort. This rack helps reduce clutter and keeps your sink area neat and tidy. Overall, it is a practical and space-saving solution for modern kitchen organization.
Number 11. Oversing Roll-Up Drying Rack. This Oversing roll-up drying rack is a smart solution for maximizing kitchen space efficiently every day. It sits neatly over your sink, allowing water to drain directly without making a mess. The strong stainless steel rods provide excellent support for dishes, fruits, and vegetables. It is heat-resistant and can also be used as a trivet for hot pots. The roll-up design makes storage simple and convenient when not in use. Cleaning is quick and easy, perfect for busy kitchens. Overall, it is a versatile and durable kitchen tool that improves organization and daily efficiency. Number 12. Magnetic Spice Rack Organizer. This magnetic spice rack organizer helps keep your kitchen neat, organized, and easy to manage every day. It attaches securely to your refrigerator or metal surfaces, saving valuable counter and cabinet space instantly. The strong magnetic base ensures stability even when holding multiple spice jars together. It allows quick access to frequently used ingredients while cooking meals efficiently. The modern design also adds a clean and stylish look to your kitchen setup. Installation requires no tools, making it very user-friendly for anyone. Overall, it is a convenient storage solution that improves accessibility and kitchen organization.
Number 13. Under-Cabinet Mug Holder Rack. This under-cabinet mug holder rack is a simple yet effective way to save space in your kitchen. It easily mounts under shelves or cabinets, creating extra storage for mugs without using counter space. The strong hooks securely hold multiple cups, keeping them organized and within reach. It is made from durable materials, ensuring long-lasting performance with daily use. Installation is quick and requires minimal effort. The compact design is perfect for small kitchens or apartments. Overall, it helps reduce clutter, improves organization, and adds a practical storage solution to your kitchen setup. Number 14. Stackable Can Storage Organizer. This stackable can storage organizer is designed to keep your pantry neat and easy to manage daily. It allows you to store multiple cans in a compact, organized manner, saving valuable shelf space. The slanted design lets cans roll forward automatically, making them easy to grab when needed. It is made from durable materials that ensure long-term use without breaking or bending. The stackable feature adds flexibility for different storage needs. Setup is simple and requires no tools at all. Overall, it is a practical solution for improving pantry organization and accessibility in any kitchen. Number 15. Expandable Drawer Organizer. This expandable drawer organizer helps you keep your kitchen tools neat, sorted, and easy to find quickly. It adjusts to fit different drawer sizes, providing a customized storage solution for utensils. The sturdy construction ensures durability even with daily use in busy kitchens. Multiple compartments allow you to separate spoons, forks, knives, and other tools efficiently. It reduces clutter and saves time when preparing meals. Cleaning is simple and requires minimal effort. The expandable design makes it suitable for various drawer layouts. Overall, it is a smart and flexible storage solution for better kitchen organization.
Thanks for watching today's top picks from Gadget Harvest. If you love discovering cool kitchen gadgets that make life easier, make sure to subscribe and stay updated. All product links and the latest prices are in the description below. Don't miss out. Got a question or want to see a specific gadget reviewed? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay inspired, and keep cooking with confidence.